Welcome back. Now, every page within Clickfunnels will give you the opportunity to change the appearance structure. And you'll see that on the right-hand side menu. And you'll see 4 buttons at the top, as well as a preview button. For example, you can change the structure of the sections. You can manage the existing sections. And you'll see those sections as they are constructed with this particular page, or you can add in a section. You can choose as to what you want that section to look like, and you can drag and drop that section into your existing page. And Clickfunnels will then build the new section. If we go back to add a section, you'll notice that we can add in action on a particular section. And you'll have choices here that Clickfunnels gives you. So if you want to add in a section, you can drag and drop that section onto your page. Clickfunnels will then build that section. What you'll notice then is that each of those sections will then have controls on the right-hand side menu. For example, the section that we just added will have settings of its own. We can change the settings of that particular section by going to the section menu. We can take away that menu by clicking inside of the page. Going back to the section menu, what you'll see here is that you have settings and advanced elements. You also have the ability from this section to preview the section from mobile and desktop, to hide the section, to look at the code of the section, or to delete the section altogether. And we are going to delete the section. Going back to the section elements, we can clone an entire section. So we click the clone button. You'll see that the cloned section will appear right at the bottom of the section that you just cloned. You can delete the cloned section. Going back to the section elements, you can save the section once you've been working with particular changes. You can rename it or save it as a particular template. And once again, we can delete a section altogether. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.